Hey, it's Raimi and welcome to this affordable makeup look that looks expensive. I'm super excited for this one because one, you guys have asked for it for so long, and two, there's so many gems in the affordable makeup realm that I feel like so many people sleep on. And there's also a lot of things here that I have not tried, so just a lot of excitement going on. Also, this video is sponsored by CNC by Clean & Clear. I just wanted to say thank you so much. You guys know I love them. I'm sure you guys love them too. I've talked about them in a bunch of other videos. So yeah. I'm using this No Glow Anti-Shine Stick. It's just like this little white stick that goes on clear. And I'm putting this in my areas where I get the most oily, because it just helps keep my oils at bay throughout the day. I use this alone, like when I'm not wearing makeup, but under makeup it's really nice because the texture is just so smoothing. It kind of reminds me of like a primer texture anyways, so it's like not that far off. Then I use this NYX Bear With Me spray. This is like a 3-in-1. It's like a prime, set, and refresh. So it primes your makeup and it helps it last longer. It adds a subtle glow and smooths your skin as well. So I think this is like such a good product. This has been one of my favorites for such a long time. I remember using this literally in high school. I'm going to be trying out the NYX Epic Ink Liner. It's a felt tip black liner, and I'm going to try to do a wing. So if you guys know me, then you know that before I do liner with like a liquid or felt tip liner, I always outline my liner shape with a brow powder or like an eyeshadow first, so I can just like clean up mistakes easier with a powder rather than going straight in with this and like crying about it and messing it up and having to do over my whole like concealer base. So yeah. So I like it. It's pigmented and very black and easy to use because the felt tip is like so sharp. But I did mess up when I tried to fix the wing, as we all usually do. So I'm gonna use some So Wiped tropical face wipes from CNC, and I'm just gonna put this on my finger like that and use it to try to clean up the edge of my wing. I finished both of my wings, and basically my consensus on this is that it's really good, and I was scared that I was going to be not pigmented and black enough, but it was. Also, I just found out that it's waterproof. A lot of you guys recommended me this when I did a little question thing on my Instagram, so I just decided to try it. And I'm always scared of these foundations because picking your color is always kind of really hard. But I think this might work. Why is there no pump? Is it a thing to not have a pump on foundations? I don't really like that. So far, I think it's a really pretty finish. I like it a lot. You can still see some of my blemishes and whatnot, but it's actually really nice. And it's a little bit light, but I feel like that could be fixed with bronzer. I always have to have a makeup wipe next to me to take off the foundation on the back of my hand, because I literally will walk around with a foundation stain right here all day, and then I'll finally see it and be like, really? Surprisingly, these don't irritate my skin at all, which is usually the reason why I don't like using makeup wipes. So this is definitely an exception. It's one of my favorites ever. My dark circles under my eyes have been so bad lately because I have just not been sleeping. I don't know what's going on. I've been having the weirdest dreams and nightmares. Is anybody else having that? Because I feel like sometimes when I mention that I've been having bad dreams, a bunch of people are like, oh my god, me too. And then all of us are just like, the retrograde. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light 15. And I have this little e.l.f. brush. I love e.l.f. brushes so much. They're so affordable and they're always so good. I've been using e.l.f. brushes for so long and they have never done me wrong and they last forever. This definitely has a bit of coverage, so under the eyes it's really nice, especially if you have some dark circles. Helps cover those up. I had this palette such a long time ago and I repurchased it because I remember liking it a lot. Oh my god, I forgot she was pigmented. I feel like this is definitely more of a bronzer shade just because of how warm toned it is. This is the Milani powder blush in the shade Luminoso, which is like an iconic blush that literally everybody raved about for so long. And I am just now trying it and I think it's actually the best thing ever. Look how cute. It's like so glowy and pink. I love it. Okay, I have this ColourPop light stick in the shade Urth. It's like a peachy, bright, pinky highlight shade. For mascara, I have one of my old favorites, which is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I love it so much. It makes your lashes super dark and super cute. The wand is kind of weird, but it just works. I don't know. For lips, I have this NYX Lingerie Push Up lipstick in the shade Push Up. I think this has like mint or something, or is it supposed to be lip plumping because it's like tingling and cool feeling, like I just like chewed gum or ate a mint or something. I don't know, but the color is really cute. And there's supposed to be a sharpener at the bottom. Yeah, look, there's a sharpener at the bottom. The more you know. I hope that this really just has mint in it and I'm not having like an allergic reaction or something. On top of that, I'm using this ultra glossy lip from ColourPop in the shade Champagne Mami. I just got this today and I've never tried a ColourPop glossy lip before, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know if you can see all like this shine and glitter in it. It's really cute. It has a brush tip. Wow. What is that smell? It smells like, what? It smells like Christmas. Like it smells like warm cookies or something. Oh my gosh. I haven't tried either of these lip products before, but I really like how they look together. I geek out over really good base makeup. It's one of my favorite things ever, so I love it when I find base products that work for me. Everything new that I tried today, I really liked, so that is like a first for me. Usually I buy something and I'm just like, this isn't that great, and I'm too scared to return things, so here I am, stuck. I hope you guys are having a good time here on Earth. And if you're not having a good time, I hope you start having a better time because you deserve it. And I love you and so many other people love you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!